Girl is a fitness program. It helps you like get out of your social circles. It helps you with eating healthy. It also helps you like play more sports, lets you have fun a lot.
Fit4Kids has been around, it's our 13th year, and Game On Girl has been around for about 6 years now. So in Henrico County, we serve Wilder and Fairfield middle schools, and during the school year, it's an after-school program twice a week for about 60 to 90 minutes, depending on the time of year in the school. And in summer camp, we have about 10 girls from Henrico. But we have about 45 girls here, and so they get to meet their peers who've been doing the program in Richmond and Chesterfield throughout the school year, and they've been having similar experiences after school, and now they come together, and we're doing things that they can't do easily during the school year.
Oh, got it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, I did it wrong.
This camp is completely free for students, and we provide busing transportation, so we pick up girls from Wilder and from Fairfield. And so as we are able to have more supporters, we can expand it and offer more slots.
That was beautiful!
I like it because we get to meet people, we do different exercises, and we learn about different stuff, like stuff we didn't try before. We cook, we learn like home style stuff, and great work ethic, positive vibes always.
I've had a ton of fun. It's great physical activity as well as making friends and getting to interact with people from all over the area. There's lots of positive vibes. Everyone's nice to each other, lots of team building. It's an overall really positive experience for everybody.
It actually helps a lot with physical state and mental state, and it can also just help you feel a lot better. Helps you relieve stress.
Frog jumps from bank to bank. He said, Oscar, look out, big cat, bullfrog.
We just really encourage positive behavior. So every day we have 3 teams, Team Game, Team On, and Team Girl. And throughout the day they earn points for showing sportswomanship and positive behavior and kindness and helpfulness. And so at the end of the day, each team is awarded the game ball that they get to then have the next day.
The team who wins this challenge is getting 10 points.
For me, this has done a lot. This shows that I can, go out there, be amazing, show my skills, be talented, and to not be afraid of like showing people who I really am.
And it's really awesome to see how much fun they have being active, and they're exhausted by the end of the day, but every girl comes back the next day ready for more.